With the unwavering love, care, and guidance of our committed educators, we empower our students to create extraordinary accomplishments and make their mark in the world.
Academic excellence. Success in academics is not just about intelligence, but also about determination and perseverance. The educational framework at St. John International School artfully combines theory and practice in just the right balance, creating a well-rounded curriculum. The outcomes of a board examination stand as a testament to this approach. The diligent efforts of our students have brought great honor to our school, showcasing their exceptional capabilities. In the 2024 board exams, our students excelled, achieving remarkable centum results in both grade 10th and 12th. Our fifth batch of grade 10th performed admirably, with Master Rugved Andale claiming the top spot with an impressive score of 97%. He was followed closely by Master Arya Patil with 96.2% and Ms. Shruti Patil with 95.6%. In the grade 12th, our third batch also shone brightly. In the science stream, Ms. Gajali Patil achieved the highest score of 83.6%, followed by Ms. Tanvi Shingda with 81.4% and Master Jyotiransh Rai claiming the top spot with 80%. In the commerce stream, Master Vikas Suthar led with a commendable score of 91.6%, followed by Master Aditya Shukla with 88.2% and Master Janice Jain with a notable 81.8%. These achievements not only highlight the hard work and determination of our students, but also embody our school's commitment to excellence. As we often say, success is the result of hard work, preparation, and learning from failure.
School level and competitive examinations. Challenges are what makes life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. At St. John International School, all the examinations are aligned with the board format. Students' academic performance is evaluated through a series of formative and summative assessments, placing significant emphasis on experiential learning. Regular assessments and evaluations are conducted, and parents receive timely updates on their child's progress.
444 students actively participated in national and international talent examinations in mathematics, science, English, general knowledge, and IT, organized by Science Olympiad Foundation across various streams. A total of 112 students took part in national talent search examination and 142 students in a Mingott competition. Our school was honored with the Best Principal Award in Palghar district for having the highest number of student participation in National Science Olympiad exam. Our school is proud to have been awarded the Certificate of Recognition for promoting holistic education and the Leadership Excellence Conclave at Navi Mumbai. I am filled with immense pride as I share this exciting news that St. John International School has been ranked number 1. This remarkable achievement adds yet another feather to our cap.
Invest Teacher Ceremony and Club Inauguration. Leaders instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower people to accomplish their goals. On April 27, 2024, our school held a magnificent Invest Teacher Ceremony to officially induct the newly elected office bearers. The ceremony was led by our distinguished head boy, Master Prerank Raj Purohit, and our inspiring head girl, Ms. Gargi Dapolikar.
In the primary section, we had
Master Manan Virase,
the head boy, and Ms.
Ms.
Rui Bade, the head girl. The event commenced with a splendid guard of honor for the esteemed chief guest, followed by a captivating march past by the newly appointed council members. Our school principal, Sister Veena Montero, eloquently outlined the responsibilities entrusted to each office bearer, setting a tone of commitment and leadership. The occasion was further enlivened by a vibrant cultural program that showcased the talents of our students, leaving a lasting impact on all attendees.
To foster a well-rounded education that harmonizes academics with extracurricular pursuits, we established a range of vibrant clubs: the Language Club, the Math Club, the Science Club, Art Club, Sports Club, Heritage Club, Health and Wellness Club, Cyber Safety Club, Eco Club, and Tourism Club. These initiatives aim to cultivate dedicated spaces for growth and exploration, allowing students to delve into their passion and develop their unique talents in areas that truly inspire them.
Counseling sessions for the students. Words of comfort, skillfully administered, are the oldest therapy known to humans. Personal counseling empowers students to embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. It nurtures their potential, enhances confidence, encourages them to take charge of their lives, and promotes overall well-being. To support this transformative process, we have organized a series of counseling sessions for students across all grades. These initiatives aim to foster connections and cultivate a community grounded with love and kindness, encouraging self-care and compassion for oneself and others.
Teachers Enrichment Program. We are committed to empowering our teachers to prepare students for the future while keeping their knowledge updated. To this end, our school organizes an annual teacher orientation program in collaboration with CBSE and other esteemed organizations. These professional development sessions covered a range of vital topics, including understanding disabilities and inclusive practices, facilitated by the insightful Mrs. Shobha Sachadev and Mrs. Sangeeta Jagtiani. Critical thinking and problem solving, Dimag Ki Batti Jalao, led by the dynamic Mrs. Pramila Kudwa. Self-defense training conducted by the skilled Mr. Akash Bhoye. Orientation session for grade 3rd to 12th conducted by Principal Sister Veena Montero on parent involvement transformative leadership, and for the pre-primary section to grade 2nd conducted by Mrs. Suchita Gharat, Principal of St. John Junior College on parent involvement.
Orientation for new teachers on CBSE policies conducted by Sister Veena Montero. A 2-day session on critical and creative thinking organized for all teaching staff by CBSE Pune. Game-based learning, a new pedagogy based on NEP 2020 and global practices, conducted by Dr. Mrs. Kamal Shah, Principal of St. John College of Engineering and Management. Through these initiatives, we strive to enhance faculty development and equip our educators with the tools they need to inspire and guide our students effectively.
PTA meetings. We are profoundly grateful for the unwavering support of our parents, a cherished blessing we celebrate each year. The PTA General Morty meeting serves as an heartfelt occasion to honor their invaluable contributions to our school community. We actively encourage parental involvement in teaching and learning process, fostering a vibrant partnership. Our fully functional PTA comprises of 25 dedicated representatives alongside the esteemed members of the management team, under the esteemed leadership of Principal Sister Veena Montero as President and Mrs. Vidyalakshmi Pujari as the Secretary of the PTA Executive Committee. We hold regular meetings with parents to enhance educational experience for all.
School calendar activities and intra-school competitions. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. In addition to our academic pursuits, we place significant emphasis on the holistic development and growth of our students. To this end, a variety of activities and competitions are seamlessly integrated into our curriculum. Throughout the year, the school has organized numerous competitions, which are as follows.
School activities, Environment Day or Green Day, Monsoon Mania, Janmashtami celebration, Yellow Day, World Heritage Day, World Health Day, Ramzan Eid celebration, Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti, Invest Teacher Ceremony, World Environment Day, International Yoga Day, Book Summary Writing, Parents Day,
Kargil Vijay Divas, Independence Day celebration, Red House Fest, Rakhi making activity, Blue House Fest, Ganpati celebration, Teachers Day, Hindi Divas, National Nutrition Week, Yummy Tummy Nutrition Week, Gandhi Jayanti, Navratri celebration, Diwali celebration, Children's Day celebration,
School competitions, coloring competition, clay competition, Bal Geet competition, English Language Day, show and tell competition, story narration, English elocution and just a minute competition. Saptarang art competition. Solo singing competition for grade 6 to 8.
Inter-class solo singing competition, Mono act competition for grade 6 to 8 on topic social awareness, House-wise group singing competition for grade 6 to 10th, General knowledge quiz contest, Dohe competition for grade 6 to 10th, Hindi Divas allocation competition,
We provided students with hands-on experiences through various workshops, including skill development, carpentry, sound analysis, mechanical tools, civil water analysis, electrical skills, 3D printing and automation, artificial intelligence, data analytics and visualization. Additionally, street play for grade 8 to 10th and self-defense for girls of grade 6 to 12th. Psychometric testing and career counseling sessions were conducted for grade 10th and 12th.
CBSE activities and competitions. The main objective of CBSE board is to develop a student's overall personality and provide holistic education by balancing academics with extracurricular activities. Following are the CBSE activities conducted in the academic year 2024-25. CBSE Expression Series Quarter 1. CBSE Budding Authors. CBSE Reading Mission. CBSE Storytelling Competition. World Yoga Day. Shiksha Saptah. National Sports Day. CBSE Swachhata Pakhwada. CBSE Veer Gatha 4.0. CBSE Expression Series Quarter 2. CBSE Vachan Prerna Divas. Rashtriya Ekta Divas.
Inter-school competitions. Our students were actively engaged in a multitude of inter-school competitions and events. Drawing, fancy dress and GK quiz competition organized by Arya Krida Sanskruti Mandal, Palghar. GK quiz competition organized by St. Francis School, Boisar. Drawing essay, spell bee, folk dance competition and best out of waste organized by Anand Ashram English High School, Palghar. Spurti organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences, Palghar. National level English debate competition organized by Viraj International School, Boisar. Inter-School Science Fest organized by St. John Technical Campus, Palghar.
Laurels. Keeping with the foresaid, St. John International School acknowledges the efforts of our young, persistent, shining stars who made us immensely proud through their consistent performance in sports, sciences, and social interaction.
Master Ayman Ishani from Mount 3 secured the first prize and won the gold medal in the drawing competition organized by Arya Krida Sanskruti Mandal. Master Yashvit Sankhe of Mount 3 secured the fourth place and won the bronze medal in the fancy dress competition organized by Arya Krida Sanskruti Mandal. Miss Inshia Maru, Miss Prishita Lakhiani and Master Bunanduddin Maru secured the second rank in the GK quiz organized by Arya Krida Sanskruti Mandal. Miss Arya Rauts won the first place in the drawing competition held at Anand Ashram English High School.
Miss Ashna Singh secured second prize in the drawing competition organized by Anand Ashram English High School. Miss Sanchi Ghodke secured first prize in the essay writing competition organized by Anand Ashram English High School. Master Path Salunke secured second prize in the Spell Bee competition organized by Anand Ashram English High School. Students of grade 7 to 9th secured second prize in the dance competition organized by Anand Ashram English High School. Students of grade 11th and 12th Commerce, Miss Ashika Singh, Miss Upasna Jain, Miss Ritika Mishra and Miss Manogna Shetty secured first prize in the Emotional Antakshari organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences.
Miss Janvi Gandhi, Miss Vaishnavi Lokhande, Master Hardik Joshi and Master Manas Patil secured second place in the Emotional Antakshari organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Miss Vaishnavi Lokhande of grade 10th secured third place in the Poetry Slam organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Miss Ritika Mishra, Miss Manogna Shetty, Miss Janvi Shetty and Miss Ritika Vani secured second place in the fashion show held at St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Master Dhruv Sonavne, Master Satyam Chaudhary, Master Parag Kharad and Master Parikshit Pincha secured second place in the Mind Marathon organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Master Satyam Chaudhary, Master Parag Kharad, Master Ronit Jain and Master Vedant Patil secured second place in the ad making organized by St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Miss K.A. Patil of grade 9th secured first place in the dance competition held at St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. Miss Prabh Meher Kaur of grade 10th secured second prize in the dance competition held at St. John College of Humanities and Sciences.
Miss Sanchi Ghodke secured the first position, Miss Prishita Lakhiani secured the second position and Miss Chahel Dharod secured the third position in the elocution competition organized by St. John Technical Campus. Miss Mahi Verma and Miss Purti Shukla secured first position in the debate competition organized by St. John Technical Campus, Palghar. Master Chaitya Dharod and Master Vihan Bhavna secured first position. Master Parag Kharad and Master Satyam Chaudhary secured second position. Master Tanishq Mahajan and Master Jash Tare secured third position in the science quiz competition organized by St. John Technical Campus, Palghar. Miss Zaina Sheikh, Miss Kavya Vartak, Master Neel Mane and Master Ayan Larji secured first position in the 6th to 8th category of the Inter-School Science Exhibition for their project titled Carbon Free City organized by St. John Technical Campus, Palghar. Miss Sanha Sinha, Miss Kanika Kini, Miss Manashri Malvi and Miss Rajvi Mahatre secured first position in the 11th and 12th category of the Inter-School Science Exhibition for their project titled Trash to Bloom, Plastic Goes Green, organized by St. John Technical Campus, Palghar.
Sports and coaching. In addition to academics, sports hold a vital role within our curriculum. The school consistently takes the initiative to nurture exceptional talents in the athletic realm. Students are engaged in regular exercise and practice self-defense techniques. Weekly mass physical training sessions foster camaraderie and fitness, while yoga and meditation are seamlessly integrated into our sports period. The students proudly represented our school in district-level sports tournament, showcasing their skills in badminton, carom, karate, football, volleyball, chess and cricket, organized by the DSO in 2024.
Master Om Sankhe secured fourth position at a chess competition organized by DSO. Miss Samruddhi Kasle secured fifth position in the under 17 category at a chess competition organized by DSO. Master Megh Patil and Miss Ayushi Dabholkar secured 3rd and 5th places respectively at the Monsoon Cycle Rally organized by the Rotary Club. Miss Ojaswini Patil secured a silver medal in the National Karate Championship.
Educational tours. Traveling. It leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. Students of grade 9, 10, 10th embarked on an extraordinary international journey to Bangkok, Thailand, a captivating adventure thoughtfully orchestrated by the school. This enchanting trip invited students to step out of their comfort zones and immerse themselves in the rich beauty and vibrant culture of Thailand, leaving memories that will last a lifetime.
Upcoming events: school picnic, winter wonderland, health checkup, PT3 exam, Republic Day celebration, farewell for grade 10th and 12th, annual examination.
In closing, we wish to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the parents and esteemed well-wishers who have generously supported us throughout the years. Your unwavering encouragement has been instrumental in our mission to cultivate a confident, educated, and capable group of students each year, ultimately shaping the future of your children, the true architects of our nation. We hope you found joy in the PowerPoint presentation of the annual report, skillfully presented by us, and we trust that your evening with us has been a delightful one.
Thank you.
Thank you for presenting this informative report. We take great pride in our accomplishments, which are a testament to the dedicated efforts of our principal, teachers, and students. Let's give them a big round of applause to show our appreciation for their hard work.
हेलो हेलो हेलो